Welcome back, everybody. We're here at Antioch Speedway for the final race here this year. Our 2.5 hour drive, which probably doesn't sound too bad for some of you guys that race back east and stuff that, 4-6 hour drives. It's finally over. I love this track, but this is the last race for the series here as they're checking the PA system just at the right moment. So anyway, we're here in the late model. We got a 43-point lead in the series. Looks like a few new cars tonight. So we'll have our work cut out for us. And hopefully my wife draws a good number. I don't know if we're qualifying or not, but car's ready to go. We've been working on it quite a bit lately and just fine-tuned and gone over everything. So hopefully it should be good. So anyway, if you can, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have already subscribed to the channel, you can follow along. I greatly appreciate it, and I appreciate the support. All right, here we are, different pit stall. Every week we're here. There's a lot of reserve spots here, and we got here a little later than normal, so there wasn't much left open. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Going on cheat on parts.
Okay, I figured. All right, there's the cheater 57, and we're pitted right here. Laps are over. Third quick, could not get the car to rotate 1 and 2. It is so slimy right now, but we run the last heat race of the night. Our division does. We're in heat race number 1. We start third behind Kylie Ricardo and Josh Combs on the outside, and our buddy Rob on the outside. So hopefully move forward on that one and get a good starting spot for the main event. So we should be rolling off here hour and a half, 2 hours. There's so many cars. Anyway, stick with us and stay tuned. All right, there's the aftermath of the heat. Got the spoiler sort of fixed. It's kind of patched up. It'll do. Drew is 0 for the heat race, so we'll be starting on the pole next to, I think, the 52 car. So it's probably not going to happen for quite a while. We're the last minute event, so we're going to just put some gas in the car, do some adjustments, and stay tuned. But here's the car all ready to go. Everything's all set. Tire pressure done. Put some fuel in it. Body damage has been taken care of. All right, we're still waiting. It's been about an hour and a half, and there's still 3 main events to go, so it's going to be a late one.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our winner, Dan Brown Jr. All right, hey, green to checker, not a bad run.
Yeah, that was nice. First time I started on the pole all year this year, and we had a really fast car in the heat race. Just got tangled up in that and got it all fixed up. And track was really rutted up off of 4, but everywhere else it was absolutely perfect. My car owner Dennis had this thing dialed.
You got out front and never looked back. I don't think you had any pressure at all, but man, there was some good racing behind you.
Yeah, I saw a couple noses there on the restarts, and I tried to pick up my game a bit, and then after that, I was just screwing up so many times on those hallways. I thought people were going to catch me, so I was just hammered down. So I'm glad we got the win. I'm super excited.
Well, congratulations. I think this helps you in the point standings as well, right?
Yeah, we got one more race left in this Xtreme series, Marysville in 2 weeks. And then if I can thank my car owner, Dennis, and his wife, Carol, for letting me drive this thing, my wife, Glenn, my brother-in-law, my parents watching at home, Jensen Construction for helping us out all year, and I got a YouTube channel, Brown Jr. Racing. Check it out.
All right, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Dan Brown Jr.
All right, guys, that'll do it. I got the win again. That's 3 in a row at this track, going back to July. So the last 3 races here we've won. Just got through tech, and yeah, it was a great night. Started on the pole. I don't know if it looked easy or whatnot, but I saw people kind of dipping their noses on me, and made me kind of panic and go fast as I can. So anyway, car was great. Dennis hooked this car up. So we got 2 weeks from now, we're going back to Antioch. We haven't been there since March. That was a night we got our whole car destroyed on the right hand side, but still ended up getting third. So we're gonna load up here, head home, and I gotta start editing this video. And I hope you guys enjoy the videos. If you can, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.